guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this shabby mailbox pocket journal, and this is actually a series of kits in our Etsy shop in different shapes like typewriters, cameras, and that kind of thing, and they all kind of go together the same way. But today I'm going to show you how to make this shabby mailbox. And to start with, I printed everything on cardstock. We use 110-pound Pen & Gear brand cardstock, but you can use whatever cardstock works best for you or your printer. And some of the pieces actually say to print them and then flip them over and print a printable paper on the back. And so I went ahead and used the paper that comes with the kit, and I printed it on the backs of the covers and the tags and things. And then I cut out a lot of the smaller pieces on my CRICUT. We use a fussy cut method on CRICUT, and I can put a link down below for a tutorial for that. But to start with, we're going to go ahead and cut these out, and then we'll get it put together. To begin, you'll need to remember that you're going to need some kind of binder rings to put this together. So I also have some links below for different binder rings that might work for this project. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've cut out all of the pieces, and now to begin, we're going to locate these pages. And you don't need to print on the backs of these because they're actually going to get folded in half. And you just want to make sure that they're right side up, you know, not upside down, because we're going to apply glue to create our pocket. So we're going to fold these in half, just like this. And then we're going to apply glue to the side and bottom, leaving the top open to create the pocket. And you want to stay as close to the edge as you can with your glue. And then once that's dry, it'll become a pocket to hold our tags. So we're going to repeat that for the rest of the pages. Okay, and once our pages are glued, we're going to set them aside for a moment, and we're going to focus on our cover pieces. So we have a front and back cover and then this little pocket. And the first thing I'm going to do is glue this pocket on over this piece, just matching up the image, and I'll leave the top open. Again, keeping your glue as close to the edge as you can. And then we're going to locate our hole punch guide and go ahead and punch out these 3 holes. And then we're going to match it with the left side of our front cover. And you can do it kind of where you want. I'm going to, I think, put mine up a little ways from the bottom. You could just match it with the bottom, like right along here. But I think I'm going to move mine up just a little bit. And then I'm going to mark those holes. And we'll punch them out. And then I have this fused binder ring. You can use loose binder rings if you want to, but this one's pretty nice because it matches up with our holes and it's a little more stable. So I'll be using that to bind the journal. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my back cover and flip it around. So we have a front and a back. And I'm going to go ahead and use these holes as my guide to punch. And I'm going to do the same thing with my pages. Now you could decide if you want your pages to be, you know, kind of right here or up a little higher or down flush with the bottom. The important thing is to get them aligned on this left side and make sure each hole will hit within the page. So I think that looks pretty good. It's pretty straight. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this page as a guide for the rest of my pages. And again, just make sure that they're upright. And because I have lots of pages to do, I'm going to get my Crop-A-Dile. It's a little more heavy duty and it will punch them a little bit thicker layers so I can do a couple pages at once. Okay, and now that we're finished, we can go ahead and assemble the journal using our binder rings. Okay, and now we can start decorating our journal. So go ahead and just follow along as I decorate. Okay, so now we're finished with our mailbox pocket journal, and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!